in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate rows without using Excel. Now, in order for you to achieve this, all you need to do is go to datarevamper.com. So I'll go over to datarevamper.com. Then I'm going to click on choose file to upload the data set. Now I'm going to click on load data sets and wait for it to load. I'm going to go to step 3 to handle my duplicates, right? First of all, let us check if there are duplicate reports. Complete duplicate rows 4, right? So I'm going to click on this. Do you want to handle duplicates? I'm going to click on yes. I'm going to click on entire row duplicates only. Okay. Then I'm going to go to preview to view the changes I have applied. Okay. This is it, guys. I removed how many rows? I removed 4 duplicate rows. Look at it written here. Okay. Then I'm going to click on download cleaned outputs, prepare download, confirm download, and I'm going to download clean Excel. So my download is ready, guys. Let's open it. So this is it, guys. This is how to remove duplicate rows without using Excel. All you just have to do is go to datarevamper.com and clean your data set. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. And please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Do not forget to follow me for more and share with your friends, your colleagues, your family members. Share with everybody you know that uses Excel. Bye.